Xenops are small, energetic birds found in the tropical forests of Central and South America, known for their unusual feeding behavior that makes them stand out from other songbirds. Instead of hopping along branches like most birds, Xenops creep and scuttle along tree trunks and limbs, almost like tiny woodpeckers, using their slightly upturned bills to pry insects and spiders from bark and moss. They don't drill holes, but they're relentless foragers, inspecting every crack as they move. Xenops are also surprisingly bold despite their size, often joining mixed-species feeding flocks to improve their chances of finding food and avoiding predators. Their stiff tail feathers help them brace against tree surfaces, giving them extra stability while they forage, and their constant movement makes them easy to hear before they're seen,